Qatlama is a popular breakfast delicacy from Lahore, Pakistan. Fiza will show you today how to make it at home.
We need coriander seeds, dried, pomegranate seeds, dried, black lentils soaked in water, salt, caraway seed powder, chili, 1 egg, turmeric powder, fenugreek, dried fenugreek, these are leaves, and 1 cup chickpea flour, water as needed, and this dough from my Poori recipe video. We'll start making the batter. I take this 1 cup chickpea flour. I add all these dried masalas. Add 1 egg, mix it. We will add water according to our need, but add it little by little because we don't need the runny material. Now you can see the batter is ready. Now I will roll my qatlama. I'm not making very big because I have a small pan to fry it. Put some oil and we have to roll it with the oil. It's usually hand stretched, but if it's hard for you, you can use a rolling pin. Now I have rolled my qatlama. I will put the mixture on the top. Mixture like this. Now I will add coriander seeds like this. Black lentils. And pomegranate seeds. Now I will put the qatlama in the pan like this. The oil should be smoking hot. You can see one side is cooked. Qatlama is ready.
Thank you, Fiza.